Meteorologist Scott Dorval with the Idaho News 6 forecast.
Good evening, everybody. Temperatures are warming up a little bit today. And boy, we had the cloud cover this morning as I expected, but we had some rain. And at a time I thought, uh-oh, it's raining out here. This is going to pile up, but it kind of faded away. That's a warm front going through. When that happens, it can be very difficult it goes from partly cloudy to rain, just like that. So we had a little rain, but it dried out, and we have ended up with a nice afternoon. Look how beautiful it is. Look at it from our Grove Hotel in Boise, 73 degrees. Oh, it is comfortable. Light northwest wind at 9 miles per hour. And all that sunshine. 74 in Ontario, 79 degrees in Rome, Oregon, so there's some warmth down to the south of us. But the mountains to the north have had a lot more cloud cover today. McCall, I saw a patch of snow, which I'll show you at a time lapse. It just didn't melt till the afternoon. 53 degrees, 56 in Stanley, cool and comfortable. 68 in Twin Falls, but everybody is warming up now. So where is all the heat, you say? You take a look at the jet stream here, or I should say the map here. Cool pool of air all through this region, right in here, jet stream kind of doing this. And so you've got a big low pressure right here, bringing in all this cool weather, and the heat is blasting up from the south following our tropical storm that's been pushing up to the north. So it's very humid here as well. There's a tornado watch out there as well in one location, but a lot of heat. 82 in Minneapolis, 91 in Chicago, and humid. 88 in the nation's capital, only 75 in Albuquerque, New Mexico, 93 in Phoenix. I mean, it's just as hot in St. Louis as it is in Phoenix right now, so the heat is mostly to the east. So what do we have for tomorrow? Our running forecast. If you're heading outside, I've got heat as an alert, but you know what? It's barely that way. So there's good running conditions all morning long till midday. I put fair at 1 o'clock just because it's getting a little bit warm for running, so you can pick your hour. Light wind tomorrow should make for a very comfortable day coming up. And how about this? Another earthquake, likely another aftershock from our other major earthquake back in March, although that earthquake was up in this region here. This is a little closer to Stanley, with Stanley Lake over in this region right over here. I believe it's right here 3 miles west of Stanley. So likely felt here in the area of Stanley at a 4.1 just before 8 o'clock this morning. So if you're somewhere around the Central Mountains, you thought you felt some shaking, yeah, that may have been the case. All right, let's go a little wider and look at the last 12 hours. And you see that rain push on through. Watch that wave of green right there. You got a little rain in Boise. The front is through, and then the sun comes back out. But notice what's happening to the west here. A line of some thunderstorms is forming right in here, and these could push into the McCall area later this afternoon and evening, although we have a slight chance as well of that line developing even further to the south. So a shower could push through later this evening and early tonight in southwest Idaho. Here's the latest. Look, just north of Burns, and you can see this line right in here that's forming. And so as that pushes to the east, Weiser, Ontario, you could be impacted by an isolated shower here. But the bigger picture shows warmer, dry weather beginning to swoop in from the southwest. And so we're going to heat on up. This low pressure is making its jog around this upper level low here, which will slide to the north. Now, here's the key. Latest charts are trying to dry us out a little bit on Saturday. One chart has it rainier than the other, but even that one has backed off a little bit. The global forecast system, I'll show you that coming on up, but that's the weekend. There's that patch of snow down the patio here in McCall, but just a lot of cloud cover. A very chilly day today. Extended forecast for McCall. Warming up finally with sunshine and a beautiful day. 70 tomorrow, 78 on Thursday. Cloud cover likely moves back in on Friday. Thunderstorms coming in on Saturday, and then showers will continue. So look at that huge drop. Another 20-degree temperature drop this weekend for the Central Mountains for our hikers. The 81 degrees in Stanley by Friday, and then we're down to the 60s and 50s Saturday and Sunday respectively, with more showers developing. Here's the futurecast showing that chance of some storms this evening going by mostly in the Boise Mountains. Watch out for the rumble of thunder. Beautiful day with sunshine throughout the day tomorrow. Precipitation-wise, this is the wetter of the two forecast models. It does show rain. It was showing a half inch, but now it's showing significantly less than that. So let's hope it dries on out, but it will cool down this weekend, and it will probably rain a little on Saturday. Sunny and warmer in my Idaho News 6 weather forecast for the Treasure Valley, with temperatures primarily in the 80s. A spectacular day coming up tomorrow for the Central Mountains. Temperatures in the 70s with near 70 in McCall, near 70 in Stanley and Sun Valley. In my extended forecast, warming it up as we go to low 80s tomorrow, into the 90s Thursday and Friday. I think the best day comes in tomorrow with an 83 and sunshine. We cool down, and there is still a good chance of showers on Saturday. Sunday will probably end up being a decent amount of sunshine down and a comfortable day, but it's another cool down. It's not going to be hot. Only Thursday, Friday.
Thursday, Friday hot. Got it. All right, thanks, Scott.